Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gorgias product filters with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, select Apps. Find and click on the Gorgias app to open it. Once inside Gorgias, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Under Settings, click on Integrations. Look for the Shopify Integration section. Select Product Filters to update your filters. You will see a list of existing filters currently in use. To edit a filter, click on the filter name you want to modify. Make your desired changes to the filter criteria. If you need to add a new filter, look for the Add Filter button. Provide a name and define the filter parameters. Once your new filter is set, click the Save button. If you want to remove a filter, select the filter and look for the Delete option. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the filter is removed. After updating, go back to your main Gorgias dashboard to view changes. Test the updated filters in your Shopify store to ensure they work as intended. Make any additional adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, you have successfully updated Gorgias product filters with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.